So this recipe is really special to me because it just brings back a lot of memories about my grandfather. And he cooked a lot. But what I really remember about my grandfather is we would go to his house right after church, and my grandfather had cooked these huge meals. And my brother, myself, and my father would eat until our heart's content. And then my mother would be very mad at us because she had made dinner that was waiting for us at home, and we were so full that we could never eat. So making this dish really brings back that connection with my grandfather. I'm really enjoying this. Thank you for watching, and be sure to pick up your Homestyle dumplings with chicken at your local Giant Eagle and Market District.